Bitcoin is doing some crazy things in the chart right now that you don't want to miss. Boys and girls, my name is Ronnie Rorick. I'm a professional crypto trader and investor since 2016. I've seen bear markets, bull markets, every phase in the market, and my vision from this YouTube channel is to share my strategy and plan about how to make money in the current situation of the market. So in today's video, we're about to find out where Bitcoin could be heading in the next few days, weeks or months. So let's jump right into the content.
Guys, everything is playing out exactly as I was predicting in my last 3 videos. Exactly 100%. In my second last video, I told everyone that Bitcoin will going up from this falling wedge. And well, as we can see, Bitcoin exactly went up from this falling wedge. And then I told you guys that around 29,200 level Bitcoin can get some resistance and can drop lower at this level. You can watch all my previous videos and check what I was saying. I predicted all these moves. Now, the question is, what is about to happen next? What will happen tomorrow, this week, next week? Well, let's analyze the Bitcoin charts and let's see what is the next Bitcoin move. First, as you can see, nothing has changed in the daily time frame. We are still in this rising broadening wedge, which is looking very bearish, and also we are at the 5th wave of Elliott theory. Means Bitcoin need a correction to the downside to continue pumping further. And the moment we break this support line, guys, it's not looking good at all for Bitcoin, because then the price target of this broadening wedge will be $15,000. And as I also showed you all in previous video that his exact scenario happened in 2020's break market, we were in rising broadening wedge, and the moment we broke it down, we crashed to the bottom of the broadening wedge after some consolidation. So this could be playing as we speaking right now. So hold your horses right now, guys. Don't over leverage yourself and don't go long with high leverage. In my opinion, this is the time to open short positions. Don't worry, I'm also going to share you an exact trade setup at the end of this video, which you can follow and make money. For now, let's move into the smaller time frames. So analyzing the 4-hourly time frame, as I told you guys, Bitcoin will be dumping from the $29,900 level, and it exactly did, because we saw that yesterday the RSI was very overbought, and we also saw that the funding rates were looking quite negative, which is of course positive for Bitcoin price. Well, yesterday I actually gave a short trade signal, and if you guys took that signal, then you should be in profit right now, because Bitcoin exactly dumped as we talked in that signal. So make sure you follow me on Twitter, link is in the description. Moving on today. So as the price action is looking a little bit weak in the short term, just in the short term, a few hours, although it's looking very bearish in a bigger time frame like daily and weekly. But I think today Bitcoin can have some rally towards upside to the upside like this, and then continuation to the downside. Because if we see this in a very small time frame of 15 minutes, then we can see that Bitcoin is forming a falling wedge. And if we can break this towards upside, then I think we can have some rally like this. And still the bigger is bearish, so then again a dump towards $27,000 level. So keep this in mind. So that was Bitcoin's smaller timegram analysis. Let's take a look at dollar index, which is very important to look at because Bitcoin is measured in dollars. So if dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down. And if dollar goes down, then Bitcoin will go up. So let's analyze dollar index.
But before continuing this video, guys, I want you to pay attention because Bybit, the best exchange in the world, is giving $30,000 deposit bonus for our community. If you sign up using our link, then you can get a trading bonus up to $30,000. You can just put your money on the sideline and trade with that money and trade absolutely risk-free with this bonus. I think this is a very great opportunity for everyone because you can trade with that money and even withdraw all the profit that you make. Even if you're using any other exchange, just make an account and try trading on Bybit. I'm sure you will change your exchange because Bybit is the best exchange on the market. It's very fast and very easy to use, and it's one of the most secure exchange. So make sure to sign up through the link in the description and on the pinned comment. Then sign up, finish the KYC, deposit, and get a bonus up to $30,000 today. And now let's continue with the video.
Well, looking at dollar's chart, well, we talked about the long term of dollar index in our previous video. So let's talk about where dollar could be heading in the smaller time frame. So as you guys can see, dollar is looking very bullish. First of all, we are in this huge falling wedge which can take us to 105 level. And even in the smaller time frame, like 4-hourly time frame, we are looking very good. As you can see, we are creating some very bullish price action. This wick is looking very bearish, and the volume is also looking very good. And if we look at the 1-hourly time frame, then we can see that we are forming this bull flag, which can take us out of this huge falling wedge, which will be very huge. And if this happens, I think Bitcoin can go so much more lower. Now let me tell you what I'm going to do with my trades, guys. So beside my other short trades, which I opened at this levels, I opened another short trade at this level, which I also announced publicly on Twitter. I highly suggest you all to follow me on Twitter to get updated in real time. As you all know, it gets slow to update everyone on YouTube, but on Twitter I can post a tweet very fast. So make sure you all are following me on Twitter, and everyone who took this trade. Congratulations, you are now in profit. Make sure you are low leveraged right now, because we are going to scale this trade more in future.
By watching all these scenarios, I hope you have a more clear perspective on the market. Boys and girls, make sure to keep all the scenarios in mind and trade accordingly and carefully. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, because I upload regular videos all about crypto and how you can make more money in this crypto market. So if you want to be the next crypto millionaire, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss any important update in the market again. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, ciao, ciao.